Today I'm going to be doing a flip through of our brand new 2023 monthly kits. These were released during Black Friday and I never got a chance to actually do a flip through to show you all of the new kits that we have. So we released all 12 months for next year, and then we also have a birthday month. And the difference with this year's monthly kits is that they are actually all fully undated, so you can use this for any year in your planner, and you also get to choose what month goes with your planner spread. Before I get into the flip through, I did want to mention that our new monthly kits are on a brand new sticker paper. This is the sticker paper that we use for our subscription kits. So it's different from last year's monthly kits, and it's like a really nice vinyl, super like soft and flexible material. But the thing about it is that I've only found one pen that works with the sticker paper, and that is the Sakura microperm pens. They don't smudge whatsoever with the sticker paper. You can get these pens off of Amazon, Jet Pens. I think Michael sells them. We also carry them in our shop, so if you need to get some, feel free to grab a couple of pens. We have a few different sizes. This is the 03 size, but we also have an 01 and an 05. So if you are in need of any of these pens to write on the sticker paper, I recommend that you go and get some because these work super well. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already, and hit that bell to turn on notifications so you never miss any of our uploads. And give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment letting me know if you guys want to see a demo of these monthly kits. I filmed one for February's month using this monthly kit. And so let me know if you guys want to see that. I can definitely upload it. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So starting with January, technically it's for any month that you choose, but we do have suggested months. So this one's suggested month would be January, but you could also use this for February or whenever winter is for you. So here is everything that you get in a monthly kit. Our monthly kits are $17.95, and you get 3 full-size sheets. You get a foiled script and icon sheet, and this is on clear matte sticker paper, so that is different. It used to be on clear glossy, but I think matte is a lot more popular these days. So the only difference I made with this sheet is I added a bill due column, and then some of the scripts are a little bit different, but for the most part it's still pretty much the same as before. It's just a little bit bigger now. And then you also get a Floral Deco Sheet and a date sheet with some fun scalloped boxes, which I think are super cute. And then for the larger sheets, they are all foiled. So here we have the top 2 banners. This one is a little bit hard to see, but we have lots of flags here. We have scalloped corners, then we have some circles, and then we have 3 strips of really thin washi. So that is what this box is. Kind of hard to tell since it just kind of looks like one block, but these are individual stickers. Then for this sheet, we have individual boxes like so. So you get 4 of those. And then we have the functional boxes. These used to be bill due stickers, but I decided to move the bill due onto the script sheet. That way, if you have more bills or less bills, you can use these boxes for anything. And then we have our sidebar sticker, which is separated into 4 boxes that you just stack one on top of the other. And then lastly, this page is our functional boxes page. So pretty self-explanatory. You have your scalloped half boxes, You have some full-size boxes that you can write on, lots and lots of different styled boxes here for appointments, things like that. So that is the layout for our new monthly kit. And so you get all 6 sheets for $17.95. And then now currently, since all of our monthly kits are undated, we are offering a separate script add-on sheet for an additional $1. And basically you get to choose what month goes with which kit. So you could choose any month for this. Say you wanted July, you could pick July, and we'll include a sheet that looks like this. Obviously it would say July on it and it would have July's holidays, but it would be in the matching foil as this monthly kit. So this sheet comes with a large January script to put here, and then we also have a Hello January and a few January scripts in case you want to use it for your weekly spreads. You can feel free to do so. And then we also included the holidays for January. So this is what February's script sheet looks like. If you wanted to use this kit for February, you would just pick that you want February as your script, and then we would include this little sheet with it. So anyways, that is the first monthly kit. Next, let's try and flip through these a little bit faster since that was definitely took a while. So next we have February, and of course I'm calling it February, but you can choose the month that you'd like. So we have our add-on sheet, our matching deco sheet, and we have our matching script sheet. And then here is what this kit looks like. Lots of florals. All of our monthly kits are floral based, and that is what that looks like. But we did wanted to do more like clip art in the kit this year, just to switch things up a little bit. Next we have this Sakura themed monthly kit, and this one is suggested for March. It's in rose gold foil. So we have our date sheet, we have our deco, and then we also have our script sheet. Here's what the actual kit looks like. I love the sakura petals just flowing in the wind. Here is the boxes page, sidebar, stickers, and then we have the functional page. Next we have April, and this one is kind of like an Easter themed one. So we have some really cute bunnies, we have some chickens here, we got some eggs, carrots. Here is the sidebar, and then I love these florals. This one is in gold foil, super cute. And then here is the date sheet and the deco. Next we have, this one is suggested for May. So we have some mountains. Here is the boxes page. Then we have our functional page. Here is the date sheet and the matching deco for that. And this one is in silver foil. Next up we have June. So this one is more summery themed. This one's in gold foil. So we have the date sheet, the deco sheet, the script sheet, and here is the monthly kit for that. Now let's take a look at July. This one is sort of nautical colored inspired. So it's in silver foil. We have the Floral Deco, the date sheet, and then here is the monthly kit. You can see the stripes, very nautical. Okay, next we have August. This one is in gold foil. So we have the date sheet and the Floral Deco Sheet. Here's the script sheet. And then here is the monthly kit. We tried to do like little foil elements on each one, so this one's super cute. Here's the boxes page. Honestly, this could be cute for springtime as well. You definitely don't have to use this for August. Next, we have September suggested, which this could be used for October as well. So here is the date sheet. This one's in gold foil. We have our Floral Deco, our script sheet. Actually, this could be cute for November too. So here is the first page. I love this little deer here, so cute. And then the tree. We got some leaves here. Here is the boxes page. And then we have our functional boxes. Next, we have, this one is suggested for October, but honestly, I think you could also use this for February as like a cute little Valentine's Day witchy monthly spread. So here's the date sheet and then the deco, and this one's in rose gold foiling. The foil elements up close. I love the colors in this one. Super cute, and I think the rose gold matches really well with it. So that is October. And then we have November. Gotta have some pie for November. Here is the date sheet. It's in rose gold foil, matching deco sheet. And then we have the script sheet. Here is what the first page looks like. All the florals, super perfect for fall. And then here is the functional boxes page. Then we have December. So we got some silver up in here. Here is the date sheet. Love the scalloped hearts. I think they're so cute. And then here is the Floral Deco. And then here's also the script sheet. Here is the monthly kit. We didn't want to make this too Christmassy, but there is a little Christmas tree here. I really like the colors that we picked for this one. It's like not too bright, but it's still bold and really pretty for winter. So here is the functional boxes page. All right, so that is December. And then lastly, we have our birthday kit. So if you wanted to do a birthday spread for your birthday month, this is actually perfect because you get to choose which month you want to go here. And then here's the script sheet, the Floral Deco, which has some birthday elements on it. And then we have the date sheet. And this kit is in gold foil. So here is the first page. Love the little confettis throughout. Here is this one. And then lastly, our functional boxes. Super fun, cute for birthday month. So that is all 13 months of our brand new 2023 monthly kits. Again, these are fully undated, so you can use them for any month, for any year. And I would love to hear all your thoughts of our newly designed monthly kits. And leave a comment letting me know if you want to see any plan with me's. We can definitely upload a plan with me every month using these monthly kits. But other than that, if you wanted to grab these, you can definitely do so, pick them up individually, or we also have a entire monthly bundle where you can get all 13 kits for $199, which is a pretty good deal. So yeah, I'll leave a link for that in the description bar, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!